questions which we are going to do, this is very important. That is how the LPG or how the economic reforms have affected the agriculture sectors. That is reforms in agriculture. Reforms have not been able to benefit agriculture, whereas the growth rate has been decelerating. It is because low public investment. There was very less investment. As a result, agriculture infrastructure was not properly developed with power, roads, market linkages, and research and extension, which played a crucial role in the Green Revolution in the reform period. So, the very first point we can underline this, that is the because of low public investment. This is the first point. Second point, we have removal of fertilizers, subsidies. Subsidies were removed. This is second point. Increase the cost of production, which severely affected the small and the marginal farmer. First point was low public investment. Second is removal of fertilizer subsidies. Third, Indian farmers has to face increased international competition. Now, small farmers have to face the international competition because of LPG policy. Because now there was no control, means globalization was there, privatization was there, and liberal was there. Liberalization, that is, economy was very much liberal. So, because of LPG policies, which has encouraged reduction in import duties on agriculture products, removal of minimum support price, and lifting of quantitative restrictions on agriculture products. So it has increased, it has enhanced the international competition. Next, there was focus on production of cash crops instead of production of food grains. Now cash crops were produced, the goods which are going to be sold in the market because of export oriented policy. Now everyone wants to do the exports. Reason? They think they earn more. International trade. So it caused shift from production for the domestic market towards production for the export market. जो हमें चीज़ें चाहिए थी, जो हमारी कंट्री में चीज़ें चाहिए थी, वो तो प्रोड्यूस नहीं होती थी. Now people have started producing those goods which are being exported. So it resulted in increase in the prices of the food grain. So means on the whole the agriculture sector was not benefited, agriculture sector was adversely affected. Similarly, how does the LPG policies of economic reforms have affected the industry? So industrial growth has also recorded a slowdown because of decreasing demand of industrial products due to various reasons, cheaper imports, inadequate investments in infrastructure, etc. Now, due to globalization, our economy was open to greater flow of goods and services from other countries, developed countries. So, cheaper imports were it was the main cause which replaced the demand for the demand. Now, people are not, they don't prefer to have domestic goods because they're expensive. They prefer to, like, for example, you initially, not now due to coronavirus, there is no trade between China and India. But before this situation, you prefer to have Chinese goods. Reason? They were comparatively cheap. Then, like during Diwali season, you like to buy this Chinese lights. It hardly costs 50 to 60 rupees. And if we take about the Indian products, they used to be very expensive. So that is where there was a cheaper import was the point which have adversely affected the production of the industrial goods in India, home production. The infrastructure facilities, including power supply, have remained inadequate due to the lack of investment. Lack of investment was there. So globalization is creating condition for the free movement of goods and services from foreign countries that adversely affect the local industries. Ultimately, the local industries were affected. Reason? Imports were increased. Cheap imports were there. That is the reason. Cheap imports were there. That was the reason. What happened? People were not preferring to have the domestic goods. They preferred to have the imported goods. A developing country like India does not have access to developed country market because of high non-tariff barriers. For example, all quota restriction on exports of textiles and clothing have been removed in India. USA has not removed their quota restrictions on import of textile from India and China. So on the whole, this reform have not affected, positively affected agriculture sector as well as the your industrial sector.